Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I really appreciate you all coming along and watching. And that being said, Easter has passed us now, and there's summer stuff all over Dollar Tree, and I'm there for it. And I went in knowing that these things that I'm going to show you were out there in the Dollar Tree somewhere, out there in Dollar Tree world, right? And I was hoping to find it, and lo and behold, I found what I wanted. Okay, so it's like a wish list come true video. Okay, another one of my pop-ups, because I don't usually have a Dollar Tree haul scheduled for Monday. So anyway guys, they have the sign that's the wood on the back, and then it's got the rope on it, and it says beach. And I'll give you a little bit of a better close-up on that if I can. Okay, and I noticed that they have these little things that you can hang on the wall too. Okay, so anyway, how gorgeous is that beach sign, right? Oh my god. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't think these are gonna last, because in the past things like this never have. That's my opinion. I say, you know, if you can, go ahead and go look for it now, because they were actually putting it on the shelves. When I got there was a lot of empty shelves, and they were stocking them. And then I just got one of these blue plates, because I figured this will be nice to put some things on, and I'll show you what I got so that you can like maybe get an idea of, you know, maybe you could put this like as a centerpiece. I mean, I don't really have any great ideas for it, but I thought I only really need one, and it's that pretty color blue. I don't even know what you call that blue, but you know, it's kind of that oceany blue. And then this here is more, I would say, like for a garden. They're calling it just decor, and I heard somebody call it like, I don't know if they said it was a stepping stone or not, but I would feel like if you did step on this, it would break. You know, but you could put this in your garden down. But it is made out of breakable material. It almost feels like it's like cement, to be honest with you. And they did have one with, I want to say a white seashell, but don't quote me on that, because I'm not definite of what the other one was. But this is the one that I decided that I wanted. There's somebody yelling in the back. Okay, I just shut my balcony door because there's people out there moving, and they were just kind of shouting back and forth. So anyway, that's that. It is so pretty, isn't it? It's like a pretty blue color, real summery kind of blue. Okay, I put the blue plate back just so I can have a nice pretty background to show you these things. So here are, what do they call these? Table decor. Okay, so they come in two different sizes and two different colors. So I got the two different sizes in both the different colors. Okay, and then I want to say that, yeah, this is called a juke ball. Okay, and I really don't really know how to use these things, so I figure I'll put them like on the table in a basket, or maybe even when I take the tags off, leave it on there. But also I got this, where'd that thing go that I got? Hold on. Okay, so this came in a couple of different varieties, and they're not really that big. I think one was plain, one was this color, and there was one other, I think I can remember what it was. But I was thinking maybe you could like put these on your coffee table like this too, you know, like kind of just kind of stick them. Well, there, not a lot would fit in there. The little white one might fit in there with that. With that little white one. Oh, the little white one's here. Okay. But anyway, guys, you get the idea, right? There's a lot of little different things you probably could do if you use your imagination, right? That might be too big for that. But I guess if you had a bigger wicker bowl, right? Is that a wicker? Yeah, a wicker basket kind of a thing. So those are so cute, right? I will figure it out. I just haven't figured it out just yet. And I remember when they had something similar out like this one year, and I saw people hauling it. I have never seen this one though, but I saw people hauling these, and I went to look for them, and they were gone. Okay, so I just saw them. I kind of got lucky today, because like I said, they were putting them out. I heard somebody out there yelling, "Ma, Ma." Somebody was running the vacuum cleaner. It sounded like my daughter out there saying, "Ma." I guess "ma" sounds the same when you hear it, right? You think it's your own kid calling you. But anyway, then they have one that says love, okay? And I know there was another word, and I want to say that it might have been relax, but I can't remember if it did say relax on it, because I think the ones that are just wood definitely has one that says relax. But anyway, I like this. I love the beach one. I love this one. I think this is so cool. So like I said, guys, this has been like a wish list wonderland, okay? Is that what I said in the beginning? Or a wish list come true? It's a wish list wonderland because I got the starfish wall decor, okay? And this came in red and blue as well, but I figure white kind of goes with everything, and the blue to me wasn't my favorite blue. And I like how it has like the thing wrapped around it, and then like you can hang that. Like say if somebody, I made a summer tree once. I'm kind of getting away from doing like the tree constantly. I'm definitely going to be doing Halloween, Easter, you know, Christmas, but I'm trying to get away from like maybe doing too many trees. But how adorable is that starfish? And it's made out of, I want to say that's made out of like a resin material. It could be wood though. Okay, and we're getting close down to the wire of what I found for the nautical theme. I didn't buy everything, even though I wanted to, but they had a lot of these. These are like, you know, you can hook, like, put it on the wall and, like, maybe hang your hat on it or whatever. Hang, like, anything on it, right? You don't want to do anything heavy. I don't think a coat would be okay on this. This is a mermaid. I think they had an anchor. I want to say there might have been a boat shape. I'm trying to like, you know, rack my brain. It was only there a couple of hours ago, but the wall was filled with so many things. But this was my favorite. And of course, I think I might paint it. But anyway, and there's a couple of more little beach themed things I want to show you before I show you a few other things. Okay, so these are bath bombs, but they're so cute that I think I'm going to take them out of the plastic and put them in like a dish in my bathroom, and hopefully they won't crumble like when I open them up out of the plastic, you know, and keep them there for the summer and then use them after the summer's over, right? Because how cute are they? Remember when you were a kid, didn't you have like different shapes in the soap dish in your mother's house? You weren't supposed to touch that soap. I mean, I know this isn't soap, but I remember my mother had like little rose-shaped soaps, and like technically we were not supposed to be using that soap. It was just for show. But I know we did use it and probably got in trouble for it too. But anyway, so how cute is that, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now we're going a little bit differently. We're doing these candles, okay? They don't even look like they're 3 feet tall to me, but I got them because of this, okay? I think that is so pretty, and I wish they had like one taller than the other. They didn't. So I got some of my Jenga blocks, and I looked up online how to make a plant stand out of wooden Jenga blocks, because I knew it was going to be the candles, but I knew it probably wouldn't say candle stand. So I kind of did it. I mean, it's a little bit of a hot mess, okay? But at least one of them, I might make a little short one for this one, and you know, then when I put like the little batteries in it, it'll probably be so adorable, right? Like I said, this is a little bit of a hot mess because I didn't use the actual Jenga blocks because I thought the actual Jenga blocks would be a little bit too big. But as you can see, you can just look it up too. You can type it in on YouTube, how to make a wooden plant stand from Jenga blocks. But these were from the Dollar Tree. These are just those little things. But anyway, I thought that was really cute to maybe heighten it up, right? And then maybe paint it like a pretty summery blue, like to go with the nautical theme, right? How pretty are those? I love those. Okay guys, so I got these two things at the Dollar Tree. I have two more, pretty much just like it from last year, but they're back again. And I'm going for like more of a mid-century modern theme in my living room. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these things together, because this shape was really big in the 1950s. And even though I got a little bit wonky right now, and I may change like the paper in the back, but I'm going to put these on my wall, and when everything gets organized, I'll show you. And then guys, I've been seeing people haul these, okay, and I've been wanting them so bad, so I got two of them, okay, because there weren't really a lot. I feel like these will go too, because I went to this Dollar Tree so far almost every day this week, and this is the first day they were out and they were already selling them. So anyway guys, this is what they look like when you open them up. They're a cleaning paste, and they have like a smell to them. Remember when you were a kid and you got, I mean, when I was a kid they had bubble gum in the baseball cards. This smells like how that smell when you open up the baseball cards. Now it might smell a little bit different to other people, It actually almost looks like bubble gum because the pink on it is like that look of like the bubble gum that came in the pack of the cards. So anyway, guys, it's not a bad smell. It's just very kind of like low-key baseball card bubble gum, okay? So anyway, if you don't mind that smell, which I don't, it reminds me of when I was a kid, then, you know, grab this. And then last but not least, guys, I grabbed these roses, okay? If you had, about a year ago, I did a DIY and I did like the box. You know how people get those forever boxes of roses, okay? Well, I used this box. It was like a gift box at the Dollar Tree you buy, and I painted it black. And then I put some light up roses in it, but during my move, I kind of lost the light up roses. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this, and we'll see how it comes out, okay? These things were from back in the day, so you don't have to put those on there if you don't want to. But to make the height, I put like one of these at the bottom because I didn't have like a big enough one of these, okay? So let me turn this over. I'm going to end up gluing it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip the roses and then start sticking them in there. Okay, you're going to have to use your judgment on where you do it, but I'm going to stick these in and I'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks, okay? And also you can put some lights in here, you know, like the little twinkle lights, and then turn it on and off so they'll glow. So there it is, guys, with 12 roses in it. And I hope you can see how cute it is, right? It's like that forever roses, and you can doll up the box any way you want. But I thought that was really cute, and I might put the twinkle lights in it because all I have to do is lift it out, and I can wrap the lights around it, and then put the lights on and shut it off when I want. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.